There once was a young herd boy named Jabu. He took great pride in tending to his father's cattle. He had heard the men of the village telling that a great lion had been spotted nearby, and they had set traps around to catch him. Jabu knew even though Great Bubesi was around, he still had a job to do with his herd. But as he drove his cows to the river, he heard a terrible noise. Somehow, Jabu knew Bubesi, the great lion, was not declaring his majesty or might. He was in trouble.
Oh, young boy, please help me. I'm caught in this trap and cannot free myself as hard as I try. Please, hurry before the hunters come and kill me.
I would very much like to free you, you great beast, but I'm afraid that as soon as I do, you will eat me.
No, my friend. I could never eat someone who set me free. I promise with all my heart that I won't touch a hair on your head.
I feel sorry for you. I will trust you and release you. But you must keep your promise.
Thank you. Oh, thank you. Oh, dear boy. Oh, I am so thirsty and hungry after being in that trap. Nice looking legs on that boy. And those arms, too. What a pity to waste such an excellent meal.
You promised me, Bubesi. You promised if I saved you from the hunters, you wouldn't eat me.
Yes, I did promise you, but now that I am free, it does not seem so important to keep that promise. And I am awfully hungry.
Oh, please, you must keep your promise, or pieces of that broken promise will come back to pierce you.
Silly boy. How can such a flimsy thing hurt me? I am the great lion.
Jackal! Please, tell the lion how bad it is to break a promise.
A promise? Tell me, did one of you break a promise?
Jabu told the jackal their tale, and he listened carefully. The jackal couldn't believe that the lion, such a great beast, could get caught in such a flimsy trap as the hunters had made. So he convinced the lion to prove it. The jackal led him to another trap set by the riverbank, and sure enough, as soon as he was caught, there was nothing he could do to free himself.
That will show you the boy is right. Broken promises always catch up to you.